If your Ecovacs Deebot T8 Plus is obsessively spinning in circles or dragging itself across the floor like a zombie before screaming for help, you aren't alone. You are likely facing the dreaded wheel error. 1 minute it's mapping your home, and the next it's throwing a temper tantrum in the hallway. While it looks like a software glitch, this is usually a hardware failure. Specifically, you're dealing with a faulty wheel module. Over time, the internal plastic gears strip or the motor simply burns out, making it impossible for the robot to drive in a straight line. If you ignore this, you won't just have dirty floors. Forcing a robot to run with a seized wheel puts massive strain on the system, which can eventually blow the main motherboard, turning a fixable robot into an expensive paperweight. So, you're stuck with that persistent wheel error on your Ecovacs Deebot T8 Plus, and you know that taking it apart yourself is a gamble you don't want to take. That is exactly where Robocare steps in to help. We aren't just general appliance repairmen, we are specialists. Our team has years of experience specifically with the Ecovacs lineup. We know the Deebot T8 Plus inside and out, understanding exactly how the drivetrain communicates with the motherboard. We've seen this issue hundreds of times, and we know exactly how to handle it. We don't guess. We use advanced diagnostic checks to confirm the faulty wheel module is the culprit. Then, we perform a precision repair. We carefully extract the damaged unit and replace it with genuine component that restores the original torque and traction your robot needs. We don't just patch it up, we restore it to full functionality. But don't just take our word for it. Let's see the amazing results. And just look at the difference. This Deebot is back to full health. It's navigating perfectly, driving straight, and cleaning with precision. No more circles, just a spotless home. Hear what our customers have to say about their Robocare experience.
If you have an Ecovacs T8 Plus and you're seeing that wheel error, or it's just acting crazy, don't throw it out. And please don't try to rip it apart yourself unless you really know what you're doing. Robocare saved me time, money, and a whole lot of frustration. It is absolutely worth it. Get your robot vacuum back to work. Trust me, your floors will thank you.
Don't let a broken wheel stop the cleaning. Contact Robocare today to book your repair.